Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Glen SA5014XL electric tandoor. This is the box that it comes in. There's an image of the tandoor right over here. It says this comes with 2 years of warranty on the stainless steel body and also has extra large capacity. And this is basically a 1400 watt tandoor as it's written over here. Extra large capacity, hence XL. Any other information? We have some stuff written over here. Okay, there you go. It says high temperature tandoor cooking helps retain the natural juices, the taste and the health benefits of the food, modern elegant looks, see-through window, heating chamber like traditional clay tandoor, energy efficient heating elements, thermal insulation to save energy, and matte finish stainless steel body. We're going to take a look at these things. Let's open this and show you what's inside. Right on top we have a user manual, user's guide and recipe book. There you go. This is the user's guide and recipe book for the electric tandoor SA5014, and yeah, everything that you want to know can be found over here. All the different parts of the tandoor are also listed. Let me just show the diagram. There you go. The see-through window, selector knob, sliding tray, wire rack, everything has been listed out. It also comes with warranty information. This is an important document. You should keep it safe. There are also some recipes over here as well on how to use this tandoor to make the most out of these recipes. I'm going to keep this over here. Now let's take a look at the tandoor. This is what the tandoor looks like. This has a stainless steel body, as you can see, and this is the see-through window, and there you go. This is what you find inside the tray. I will just show you what these elements are as soon as I get rid of this plastic cover. There's a lot of covers. So this is the sliding tray that goes inside the tandoor. Notice that the see-through window is attached to it, so this will go in like so. Let me just show you something. So over here you will notice that you pull it out like this basically, and inside you will see the heating elements. So you can see these are the heating elements. The tray goes in like this and then you do the cooking. This is the knob that you use for different settings. As you can see, there are two settings. In fact, this is off right now, and these are the two tandoor settings that this comes with. There's also a nylon braided power cable. As you can see, there's a nylon braided thick power cable with a 3-pin plug on one end. Now let's quickly take a look at this. Over here we have a wire rack. This goes inside the tandoor as well, like that. This is for when you want to do a bit of grilling as well, along with tandoor style cooking. And this is basically a pan handle which you'll use to remove basic. So this goes in over here. You can attach it like this with the screws, and so the idea is that once you're done cooking, you pull this tray out using this handle. Because when you're cooking, this tandoor will get very hot. As it's written over here, it's hot surface. You should not be touching this with your bare hands, or it should not be touching this at all. You should be using this pan handle to pull out this tray. And this is it. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Glen SA5014XL electric tandoor. Thank you for watching.